everybody. So I guess it's that time of year again where Lay's does their Do Us a Flavor contest. I thought that it had happened like in the summertime the last couple of years, but I went to Walgreens the other day and I saw a couple of new flavors. So yeah, so I guess we're doing it during a different time of year this time. It says it ends March 19th. So they only had 2 flavors. Usually, when they do the contest, they have 4 flavors. So I'm going to have to find out what those flavors are and where I can get my little hands on them. So today, we're going to try the beer and brats flavor. I have to tell you, like in real life, I do enjoy a good beer and a good bratwurst. So let's see how these stack up. They smell like potato chips. They don't smell like beer or brats. Let's find a pretty one. I don't know what a pretty potato chip would be. Like, oh, here we go, the folded over ones. Those are my favorite, the folded over ones. Because you get like double the crunch. You can taste beer, which is weird. I'm not tasting bratwurst. This doesn't have like a lot of overpowering flavor to it. Here's another folded over one. Okay, that one tasted more like bratwurst than beer. See, it's not like really powerful flavor. It's very subtle. And if I didn't know that it was supposed to taste like beer and brats, I would have a hard time trying to figure out what exactly it is. Okay. That one kind of tastes more bratwursty. Yeah, that's a word. They're good. I don't particularly know, it's not like super obvious that that's the flavor they're supposed to be. But they do taste good. So, yeah, not too bad. So, stay tuned because I'm going to hopefully get my hands on all the flavors and taste test them and cast my vote. So thanks for watching. If you've tried any of the flavors, especially this flavor, let me know what you thought about it. Alright, thanks for watching. Bye.